Good morning, students. How are you all? So, I hope you all are fine at your place. So, students, today we are going to start with the writing section as we have done and we have completed chapter number 3, The Dragon That Brought Water, and I took the test of yours also. Fine. So, today we are going to do the writing section, and it's very interesting and very important. It's the part of English grammar. So, let us proceed further. This is for class 4th and the subject English grammar, and so it is basically the lesson number 26. It is lesson number 26 and the chapter name is letter writing. The name of the chapter is letter writing and it is from your book PC Friends Grammar book. Fine. So the topics which we are going to cover in this lecture are, first is letter writing, part C and part D. It is given on page number 115 in your grammar book. Fine, then we are going to proceed further with the notice writing part C, and it is given on page number 112 in your book. Only questions are given, so I am going to discuss them in detail. Fine, so let us proceed further with the letter writing part. So letters, let me tell you about letters first of all. Previously also when we did about the writing section, I told you about letters. So what are letters? Letters are basically the traditional way. It is the traditional way of conversation, communicating from one person to another person. Nowadays we have mobile phones, different smartphones we have to communicate, but earlier we used to communicate with the letters. So there are basically two types of letter, formal and informal letters. Fine. So today we are going to do informal letter. So before starting with the informal letter, the format, let me tell you what are informal letters. Informal letters are those letters which we write to our relatives, friends, means informally we write. Fine. So let us proceed. I'm going to tell you the format of this letter today. First of all, you need to keep it in your mind. We always write address of the sender. Means to whom we are sending the address, to whom we are sending the letter. फाइन, जिसको हम पत्र भेज रहे हैं उसी का तो पत्र पता लिखेंगे. देन वी राइट डेट. फाइन. आफ्टर दैट वी लीव अ लाइन. आफ्टर राइटिंग द एड्रेस वी लीव वन लाइन. देन वी राइट डेट. Then again we leave a line. Then we write salutation. Salutation, it can be dear, the name of the person. Then the opening paragraph. Fine. Then the main body, the main content in which you need to tell about what you are saying in that particular letter. Then the concluding paragraph, then the complimentary close, complimentary closing line. Fine. It can be any line. Fine. After that you need to compliment close, then signature and name. Complimentary line can be, it can be yours faithfully, yours affectionately, it can be any. Fine. So let us proceed further with the letter. So this is the question which is given in your book. Write a letter to your grandparents about your plans to visit them during the summer holidays. In the letter, also tell how would you like to spend your time with them. And the points which you can include while writing the letter are: talk about the things that you usually do at your grandparents' house, and what you have planned to do this time when you visit them. मीन्स आपको उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करनी है जो मतलब आप प्लान कर रहे हो कि आप वहाँ पे क्या क्या करोगे. That you need to write it in your letter. Fine. It happens. Whenever there are vacations, we go to our grandparents' place. But before going, we do plan. Fine. So let us proceed further. This is, first of all, we write our sender's address, to whom we are sending the address. The address is house number 367/4, Model Town, Gurgaon. The pin code is 122001. Fine. After that, you need to leave a line. Then you will write dear grandparents or dear grandma or grandpa. Fine. Again, you will leave a line. Then you will start with a starting line. I hope you are fine and healthy at your place. I'm happy to say you that my summer holidays are going to start from June 1st to June 30th. Fine. From 1st June to 30th June, my summer holidays will be there. Or you can say that my holidays are going to commence from. I'm planning to visit your place. Grandpa, feel happy to know about this. Fine. So I hope the grandpa will feel happy to know about this. I have so many plans for this year's summer vacation. I'm planning to join a camp. So the I means we are talking about I myself who is going to visit the grandpa's place. So I'm planning to join the summer camp over there. Next is it will be fun and unforgettable camp. So what kind of camp it will be? It will be a fun over there, and it will be a unforgettable camp. After that, I had planned to visit most beautiful places and the historical places also. So I have planned about historical places also. Then we will do gardening also in your garden, and I hope you will like that. It happens most of the grandparents they like doing gardening, है ना, उनको पसंद होती है ना गार्डनिंग करना, खेती बाड़ी फार्मिंग करना. So we will do gardening also in your garden, and I hope you like that. I want to eat the delicious food cooked by my grandmother. I wish to play with my grandfather. I want to bathe under the showers of your blessing. ये वाला bathe बेटा नहाने वाला नहीं है. These are the blessings which grandparents give us. जब उनके पैर छूते हैं वो हमें blessings देते हैं ना, आशीर्वाद देते हैं. So I want to live under the shower of your blessings. I'm very excited to see both of you. Warmest regards to both of you. Then this is the last closing. This is the closing paragraph basically. Then you will leave a line, yours affectionately or your lovingly, your sincerely. Then Pooja. You need to write your own name. Fine. This is all about one letter writing. You can write in your own words also. I don't have any problem. Fine. Next is the D part. Let us proceed. Write a letter to a friend and or cousin. It can be friend or it can be cousin of yours, telling him or her what you did during your sister's wedding. Just suppose there is your sister's wedding, fine, and your friend is or your cousin is not able to come, and you have to write a letter to your friend telling him or her that what you did during the sister's wedding. आपने अपनी बहन की शादी पे क्या किया था, आप अपने friend को बताने वाले हो. Let us proceed. So first of all, this is again the informal letter. You will write the address. House number 1755/8, Shivnagar Part 2. Then Gurgaon again. Then you will leave one line. एक बेटा difference है. In formal letters we write date. In informal letters we do not write date. But still you will find many informal letters in which there will be the date. So it won't be wrong. वो गलत नहीं होगा. Dear Priyanshu. Suppose your friend or cousin's name is Priyanshu. I hope you are well. I miss you and all the conversation we had during our holidays. However, I must share with you that my sister's wedding really went amazing. So the sister marriage was really amazing. So the wedding was on 23rd December 2020 and I was very busy. And I would like to tell you about the wedding's function. So wedding में जो function हुए थे मैं उसके बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. The next day was Barat. There was a Barat also. It came in time. समय पर आ गई थी. The wedding processions was splendid. It was fabulous, splendid. There was a beautiful military band in it. Military band देखते हो ना आप, ढोल बाजा बजता है जो पूरा एक जैसा band होता है. The young boys were dancing at the beat of the drum. After that, after while nikah ceremony was performed, then about 5 o'clock the barat departed. Departed means nikal gayi. Arrive पहुंचना, depart निकल जाना. During the whole function, I missed you like anything. I would have enjoyed it more if you were present. अगर तुम वहाँ पे प्रस्तुत होते तो मुझे और मज़ा आता. Anyway, pay my regards to your parents. Then you will leave one line. Yours lovingly, Pooja. You need to write your own name. I have written my own name. And you can write these two letters in your own wordings also. But the format should be proper. Keep it in your mind. We get 2 marks for the format and 3 marks for the content. Next, students, it is lesson number 25, which is notice writing, and it is in your grammar book, chapter number 25. Fine. As you all know, let me explain you about the notice. What is notice first? Deepti ma'am might had explained you, but I'm going to repeat it once again. Notice होता क्या है? A notice is a very short piece of writing. जब भी हमारी छुट्टी होती है, कई सर्कुलर आता है, that is basically a notice. वो क्या होता है? नोटिस. समर वेकेशन होती है, आपके पास नोटिस आता है. PTM होती है, आपके पास नोटिस आता है. Those are all kind of short piece of writing which is formal in style. किस वे में दिए जाते हैं आपको? एक formal style में. It is used by individuals and organization to announce the events and the celebrations, issue public instructions or any upcoming events. ये किस लिए यूज होते हैं? कि कौन यूज करता है? या तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, या तो स्कूल्स, या तो कोई भी इंडिविजुअल भी यूज कर सकता है इसे. क्या करने के लिए? कि कुछ उन्हें इवेंट के बारे में अनाउंस करना होता है, बताना होता है कोई अपकमिंग इवेंट आ रहा है. जैसे कोई भी, जैसे वॉलीबॉल गेम्स शुरू होने वाली होती है तो हमारे पास पहले नोटिस आ जाता है. पीटीएम होती है तो आपके पास पहले नोटिस आ जाता है. एग्जाम्स होते हैं तो आपके पास पहले नोटिस आ जाता है, राइट? सो दैट इज पर्टिकुलरली नोन एज नोटिस राइटिंग. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट इट. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड. दीज आर द फ्यू गाइडलाइंस फॉर राइटिंग नोटिस. नोटिस हम कैसे लिखते हैं? फर्स्ट इज अ नोटिस इज रिटन विद इन अ बॉक्स. आपको एक बॉक्स लेना होता है, उसके बीच में हम नोटिस लिखते हैं हमेशा. सेकेंड इज द वर्ड नोटिस इन कैपिटल लेटर, ब्लॉक लेटर में लिखते हैं. फिर लिखते हैं हम डेट, नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. पहले वर्ड नोटिस लिखते हो आप कैपिटल लेटर में, फिर डेट लिखते हो, फिर नेम लिखते हो उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, मेंशन ऑन द टॉप. अ नोटिस इज रिटन इन फॉर्मल स्टाइल. हमेशा हम फॉर्मल वे में लिखते हैं, इनफॉर्मल में कभी नहीं लिखते नोटिस. वर्ड्स लाइक आई, वी शुड बी अवॉइडेड. ज़्यादातर आई और वी फर्स्ट पर्सन नहीं यूज करते, हमें उसमें हमेशा थर्ड पर्सन यूज करते हैं, ही, शी, इट. It is usually written in third person. This I told you. Fine. So the points which you need to keep it in your mind, you need to remember these points while writing notice writing. First is name of the organization or institution. First of all, you will frame one box. Then on the top of it, you will write the name of the organization or any institution. Then you will, in block letters, you will write notice. Number 2. And number 3, then you will write the date of issue of the notice. जिस दिन वो नोटिस लिखा गया है उसकी डेट लिखोगे आप. Then suitable heading. आप ऐसी हेडिंग लिखोगे, अगर कोई डांस कंपटीशन है तो आप लिखोगे डांस कंपटीशन. वहाँ पे पूरा पूरा आप अच्छे से मेंशन करोगे कि इनवाइटिंग स्टूडेंट्स फॉर डांस कंपटीशन, की नोटिस कंप्लीट पढ़ने से पहले ही हमें पता चल जाए कि ये नोटिस किस चीज़ का है, डांस कंपटीशन का. इट शुड बी अ सुटेबल हेडिंग. देन द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग द नोटिस. देयर शुड बी द बॉडी, जिसमें हम पूरा डिटेल लिख रहे हो कि किस वजह से हम नोटिस लिख रहे हैं. इन केस द नोटिस इज अबाउट एनी इवेंट, डिटेल. अगर नोटिस कोई भी कंपटीशन के बारे में है, कोई भी डिटेल के बारे में है, इवेंट के बारे में, तो आपको ये पूरी डिटेल देनी है. डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू, वेयर इट विल बी कंडक्टेड, प्रोग्राम, ड्यूरेशन. फाइन, आर गिवन. Then at last, your signatures with name and designation of the person. Designation means वो पर्सन क्या है, इज अ स्टूडेंट, इज अ टीचर, इज अ बिजनेसमैन. फाइन, you have to write your designation also. So let us proceed. Over here, the format of notice is, I told you the name of the organization. Then in block letters, you need to write notice. Then over here, date. Date भी कैसे लिखते हैं? First numeric, then month, then comma, then year. Like tomorrow it is 27 January, comma 2021. Then heading will come here. Then the content. वो कंटेंट लिखोगे, उस कंटेंट में क्या क्या होता है, प्रोग्राम, उसके टाइमिंग्स, उसकी डेट कब है, उसका वेन्यू कहाँ पे है. देन योर सिग्नेचर, डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द पर्सन इशूइंग द नोटिस. ओवर हियर द क्वेश्चन विच इज गिवन इन योर बुक. All these, the letter writing, the notice writing, this you all have done earlier. आप सबने ये पहले कर लिया, बट मैं आपको एक रिकैप्चुलेशन दे रही हूँ कि हम लिखते कैसे हैं इन्हें. फाइन. So this is the part C which is given in your book on page number 112. Fine. So let us proceed with the question. You are the coordinator of a drama competition. Just imagine yourself that you are the coordinator of the drama competition. Write a notice for the student and invite them to participate in this event. आपको students, बच्चों को notice लिखना है कि वो part लेंगे इस event में. Write about the important details like date, time, location of the event and the guests who are scheduled to come to the event. Fine. So let us proceed further. So first of all, this is the complete notice. Fine. Listen to me, one very important thing, beta. मुझे यहाँ पे सारा स्पेस नहीं था तो मेरा नोटिस एक ही बॉक्स में नहीं आया. फाइन, देन आई वेंट ऑन दी नेक्स्ट पेज. सो यू ऑल प्लीज ट्राई, आप ट्राई करना कि आपका नोटिस एक ही पेज पे आ जाए उसी बॉक्स में. First of all, name of the institution, name of the school I have written over here, West Academy Senior Secondary School. Then in capital letter you will write notice. Then date. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था फॉर्मेट क्या होता है डेट लिखने का. Numeric, then month, then comma, then year. Then inviting students from drama for drama competition. Now the content is over here. ये इसका content होता है body. And this is called as a catching line. ये लिखा ना इनवाइटिंग स्टूडेंट्स फॉर ड्रामा कॉम्पिटिशन को हम कैचिंग लाइन बोलते हैं. कैचिंग मीन्स उस लाइन को देखते ही हमें पता चल जाए कि ये नोटिस किस चीज के लिए है. एन इंटर स्कूल ड्रामा कॉम्पिटिशन विल बी हेल्ड ऑन 31st January 2021. Those who want to participate should register. It will be held at the school's auditorium. और ये होगा कहाँ पे, वेन्यू कहाँ है, स्कूल ऑडिटोरियम, from 11 AM onwards. Interested participants can give their names to their respective class monitors or directly to the event coordinator mentioned below. जो event coordinator का नाम लिखा है नीचे, हम उसको भी names दे सकते हैं और या class monitor को भी. Our own school's principal and the management members will be the guest and they will judge the competition and give out the prizes to the winners. Hurry up and register now. Fine. Now over here the detail of the competition. Date 31st January 2021. Time 11 AM. Venue school's auditorium. This competition is open for all the students. Last date कब है registration की, 28 January. Then coordinator, who is the coordinator? He is Hitesh Yadav, a student of class 4th Brilliant, culture secretary. Fine. So this is all about the letter writing and the notice writing. So what is your homework? First is learn and write the 2 letters. Fine. So you need to learn and write these 2 letters in your English notebook. Then second is you don't have to learn this notice, but you need to write it. So on the next coming day, you can learn it. This is all about today. Fine. Thank you.